Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to generate a transcripts and captions in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, we need to log in our account in Microsoft Teams, and after that, guys, we can start a meeting, and also we can join a meeting from the invite link. Okay, so for this time we can start a meeting on our own. Okay, so just click this camera button and start a meeting. Okay, and now, guys, it is now connected, and we just have to wait a seconds in order for us to connect to the meeting. Okay, so we're here right now on the meeting. So in order for us to generate the transcripts, guys, and captions, all you need to do is to go to these three dots button or options. So click that one, and after that, guys, go to the language and speech, and you will see the two options here: the show live captions and turn on RTT for this call. But let's proceed with show live actions here. Okay, so after that, guys, there's a okay, so let's give a example. Okay, as you can see on my screen, there's a captions here that's showing on my screen right now. So let's say how are you today? Okay, it's showing here that, guys, the captions or the live captions or the transcripts. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.